What's up, guys? Dirk here. Happy Friday. So I just want to dive straight into the charts and give you a bit of an update with my thoughts, what we can expect for Bitcoin over the next couple of days. And then it's going to be interesting to see how things play out. Today also is the options expiry. So the last Friday of the month. I think there's about $2.5 billion worth of options expiring today. And the maximum paying price, so the price where most people are out of the money, is much higher than current levels, so we could be expecting a bit of a pump. All right, so there's a couple things I want to show you here real quick. We're currently trading at just over $21,000. So what's interesting to note on the 3-day chart, on the Bitcoin chart, is we have put in this candle. As you can see, that tends to be the bottoms, or at least temporary bottoms. As you can see over here, what happened earlier in the year when we got a similar type of candle over here, and it resulted in a nice move to the upside. Sorry, the computer is a bit slow, so the cursor is a bit laggy, but basically you can see over here where we went after we put in that candle from about 33, we had a run up to 47, okay? Even here, it's not quite the same candle as this one, but this one and this one look very, very similar. We are also very overextended to the downside under this 50 moving average on the 3-day chart. And what tends to happen at points is when it gets too overextended, it tends to make a correction back up to that moving average, as you can see, as it did back over here. So we don't know for sure if the bottom is in, yes or no, but it is very possible that we do get some sort of relief rally anywhere between, I'd say, maybe like 24,000, but potentially also somewhere between 27 and 30,000. And that is what is going to be interesting to see how that is going to play out, because the end of the month is also going to be telling. So like I said, today options expiry. But if we move over to the monthly chart, one thing that's going to be very interesting to see, so there's 6 days left of the month, so we can only see by the end of the month, and as usual I will do an update on the first of every month. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, click the notification bell so that you do get those updates. If you want me to send you an email every time I upload a video, first link in the description down below, get on my email list, then I can let you know. So we'll look at that on the first, but basically you can see here on the monthly chart, this is the 50 moving average, and you can see even though in March 2020 it wicked below, the monthly close was above that 50-week moving average, and we have wicked below so far. But if we can get a close back above, say, 21,500, the monthly candle closed back above this 50-month moving average, meaning that it is exactly the same as has been done in the past, and maybe it would mean that the bottom might actually be in, and that we are going to work on some sort of recovery at the bottom, which I do suspect will take multiple months. But it is possible that that would signify that potentially the bottom is in. As you've been seeing over the last couple of weeks on the channel, I've been giving you videos and updates with a lot of proof of all these different metrics of why potentially the bottom could be in. All these different metrics and indicators are pointing towards us potentially being in historic levels that would signify a bottom. And I know a lot of people are saying, oh, but the macro, the world environment is crazy. The Fed is hiking interest rates. We've never seen Bitcoin and crypto perform during a real recession or a real bear market or anything like that. And yes, while all of that is true, at the same time, the indicators are the indicators, and excluding a black swan where, they turn off the internet or whatever happens, excluding that and just assuming that it is a normal boom and bust cycle, the indicators are the indicators, and it would signify that we are overextended to the downside and some sort of rally is due, if not, maybe being the bottom, potentially being in. So based on this, let's see how this monthly candle is going to close. We'll know in the next 6 days. I will do an update on the 1st of July on the channel. Also the 3-day chart, that candle that was put in that I just showed you, that very much looks like it could be a temporary low, or maybe the final low. We'll only know that in hindsight, but at least that type of candle usually results in some sort of relief rally or a bounce. And then of course we have the options expiration today, which max pain price, like I said, is higher than where we're at. So all those factors together, plus that everyone is really still super bearish and expecting lower, expecting $14,000, $12,000, $10,000 Bitcoin, that all sets a nice backdrop for a potential relief rally or an extended short squeeze where, you know, we go up to 23, 24, maybe 27, 28, 29,000 dollars for Bitcoin in the short term. So let's see how that is going to play out. Just wanted to give you that quick update, and I will see you in the next video.